Hi everybody, it's Elaine at the Sewing Basket here in Plymouth, Wisconsin. We're going to talk about the desktop needle threader today and show you how to use it and then how to thread a needle and make a quick quilter's knot. I'm going to hand the camera to Cindy so she can hold it and you can see what I'm doing. So the first thing I've got is a needle and it's pretty small. I'm going to set that down a second. I've got my thread and I have my needle threader. When I go to thread my needle, you always thread the piece that comes off the end that comes off the spool. Most people will unwind, cut here, and thread this end. That's against the grain of the thread. So whenever you stitch, you'll have your thread twisting and spinning. You wonder why that happens sometimes. It's because you're cutting here. What you want to do is thread the end that comes off the spool, tie the knot at this end. So I'm going to take a piece of thread here, do a quick snip. This is the end I want to thread. Here's my needle. Here's our fancy needle threader. The eye of the needle goes down into the hole. I just take my piece of thread, lay it in this little trough, push it down, but don't hold it. And then gently push the button. Gently push the button, and it works 99% of the time. Gently push the button and lift it out slowly. I pulled it out too quickly the first time. It puts a little loop through the eye of the needle and you're ready to go. And then I want to tie a quilter's knot at this end. I take my thread, I lay it on my fingertip, hold it with my thumb. I'm right-handed. My thread is in my left hand and I'm winding here with my right. I go around, so I've got two threads laying there. I roll my thumb forward. The thread will push together, kind of use my fingernail and pull. And there's my quilter's knot. Usually it'll be a little closer to the end. I can trim that tail off if need be. And then I'm ready to stitch. And the thread isn't going to spin because it is running with the grain of the thread the way it came off the spool. Hope that was helpful. Thank you.